decided to make rabbit for dinner, and first I cut in pieces and fry in oil from both sides. First you add some carrot. I add 1 carrot, and then I'm adding 1 stalk of celery. So I add onion as well, and now I cover with the lid and I keep it for 10 minutes on a very low level of heating, and then I'll mix a couple times, so 10 minutes. The next step is you can add 2 cups of real cream, heavy cream, table cream, or in Ukrainian way I'm adding a sour cream, this container of sour cream, and then in the end I add some salt, pepper, some bay leaves, and it's from my garden. I have some rosemary and oregano and a little bit of thyme, parsley, and whole spice, and then I cook for another 10 minutes. So the rabbit is ready, and I'm adding some fresh parsley, and the rabbit is best with mashed potato or some pasta. So bon appetit!